Hi friends, here is a very easy problem. We are given alpha, beta are roots of this equation x square minus bx plus r and alpha by 2 comma 2 beta. These are roots of this equation x square minus qx plus r. Then what is r? See, alpha, beta are roots of this equation. What does that mean? Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, which is equal to p, and product of the roots. Alpha, beta is equal to r. Similarly, alpha by 2 plus 2 beta is equal to q. Alpha by 2 into 2 beta. That is, this 2 and this 2 will cancel. Alpha, beta, product of the roots is again equal to r. Basically, we have alpha plus beta. We have alpha by 2 plus 2 beta. Alpha plus beta equal to p. Alpha by 2 plus 2 beta is equal to q. We have two equations, two variables. Alpha, beta are the two variables, two equations in two variables. What we have to find? What is alpha, beta? Right. We have alpha plus beta and alpha by 2 plus 2 beta, both in terms of p and q. Okay, like this. For example, alpha plus beta is p. Alpha by 2 plus 2 beta is equal to 2q. If we solve these two equations, we'll get what is alpha, what is beta. And we just want r. What is r? R is alpha beta. Right. Let us solve these two equations. As simple as this. Alpha plus beta equal to q. P and alpha by 2 plus 2 beta equals to q. Let us multiply this one by 2. This becomes alpha plus 4 beta is equal to 2q. We are removing this 2. That's why we are multiplying with 2. Now, this minus this. Alpha and alpha will get cancelled. 4 beta minus beta, which is 3 beta, equals 2q minus p. 3 beta equals 2q minus p. That means beta equals 2q minus p by 3. So we have found out what is beta. Similarly, let us find out what is alpha. We have this equation alpha plus 4 beta equal to q. Now let us multiply this equation with 4. 4 alpha plus 4 beta is equal to 4p. 4 beta equals to 4p. Now let us substitute this one from this one. Okay. So 4 beta will get cancelled. We'll get 3 alpha equals 4p minus 2q. That means alpha equals 4p minus 2q by 3. 4p minus 2q we can write it as 2 times 2p minus q. Right. So alpha is 2 times 2p minus q by 3. What is r? R is finally our alpha beta. This is what we are looking for. What is our alpha? 2q minus p by 3. Alpha is 2 into 2p minus q by 3 and beta is this. So the product of this is equal to r. That is nothing but 2 by 9, 3 into 3 into 9 times 2q minus p times 2p minus q. Very simple basic problem. We have two equations, alpha plus beta and alpha by 2 plus 2 beta. We just need to solve for alpha beta. And then the question is about what is the product of that alpha beta. We just need to express this r in terms of p and q. That is the question. Right, guys? Hope you like this. Thank you.